and several parishes in its grip. Prime Minister Andrew Holness telling Parliament last night that 6 parishes, most of which had high rainfall in previous years, are all experiencing a drought. Meanwhile, the rest of the country teeters on the edge of that drought. The Met Service has thrown forecasts for rain through the window. We'll have more on further measures to ease the water crisis, but first, a breakdown of the rainfall in various parishes.
Yet another reminder of the water crisis facing the country. Prime Minister Andrew Holness pointing the lower house to several graphs and diagrams from the Met Service illustrating a breakdown of the level of rainfall in all parishes. There's one common factor. Parishes which once recorded the highest levels of rainfall in the country over a 30-year period are barely getting any now. They include St. Thomas, St. Mary and Portland. All have been experiencing reduced rainfall for some time.
Portland presently is only receiving 33% of its 30-year average rainfall. St. Mary is only receiving 41% of its 30-year average.
The Prime Minister says officially St. Mary and Portland are in drought. Also, sections of St. Thomas, Clarendon, Manchester and St. Elizabeth. Kingston and St. Andrew are considered near drought. And if there was any doubt about climate change, another trend in the data.
In fact, what has happened is that the rainfall has shifted from the northeastern end of the island to the northwestern end of the island. That has an implication for water distribution within the corporate area.
So where's the rain? According to the data from February to April 2019, parishes like Trelawney and Westmoreland have been getting the most rainfall.
We are now having rain falling where we don't have the population density. So our population density is in the southeastern end of the island, but our water resources are more abundant in the northwestern side of the island.